Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here in Reading with my friend Kathy, and we're looking at her husband's 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport. Long-term ownership. Take a look around. I believe it's got a Vortec 350 pushing 350 horsepower. I got a binder of receipts. I'll go through them when I get back to the office. But got a roller cam, and that work was done in 2025, April of 2025. It's got new upholstery, front and rear, new carpeting. It's a pretty sweet ride. Let's take a closer look. It's got some American racing wheels. Tires are 205/70 14s. Same in the back as the front. Paint's decent. I'd say it's driver quality. They had a little, she said he had a little ski boat. He would tow it out to the lake, have some fun, take the Camaro, but that was a sight to see. Got the Super Sport badges, got the Super Sport steering wheel. It's got a 4-speed. Stuff away. We'll take a closer look inside. Three pedals, we like to see that. I do not believe they did the door panels when they did the upholstery job, because I see a little home repair there. But the upholstery is real nice. Front and back. Did a great job. Carpet looks good. Floor mat's a little dusty. It was a little tight for me to squeeze in here. I'm 6'2". Looks like it's got a Hurst shifter. Aftermarket vintage style radio. And a couple things I noticed. See this is looks like there's a piece there missing, or the boot or something. Looks like it was cut out a little bit there. I see a couple drill holes, but smile, it's a 68. I see a speaker down there. The install looks a little crusty. But it's a 68 Camaro. It's a Super Sport. I see some fitment issues. The gap here's pretty wide. I see a couple chips on that door. Not too bad. And then the hood's been replaced, and I saw not a gap, but it was popped up here a little bit. A lot of times that'll take an adjustment. but I just want to point it out for you. A lot of my clients are from out of state, and we believe in honest, transparent descriptions. That one looks better than the driver's side. I don't see the big gap, but I still feel that it's not perfect. That one's pretty good. As you can see, we're a little off there with the lineup. So that's some things that I saw, but the engine's fresh. I took a lot of still pictures of it. That's a plus. I've been driving around the neighborhood. It runs good. It's a little tight fitting for me because I'm 6'2". Oh, over in the trunk, same thing. It's a little off, and there's a nice gap there. But Kathy's husband loved it. He had it for a really long time. I think she said maybe 30 years. And I took good care of it. Recently put in that Vortex 350 and pushing 350 horse. It's got the roller cam, so it's real pretty underneath there. And I took tons of stills. So you check them out at flatmotors.com, hemmings.com, Auto Trader Classics, classic.com, my own website, flatmotors.com. I took about 100 still photos. You can check it out there. It's going to be reasonably priced. And the next one is going to be ready to roll. 1968 Camaro Super Sport. California Camaro, I believe. The folks moved up from San Jose, but I did see a Missouri sticker over here. Safety inspection. Looks like in 2002. So perhaps he bought it from Missouri, brought it to California. I'll ask Kathy what she knows about that. But hey, if you like these first gen Camaros like we all do, this is a good one. It's not going to break the bank. It's got a fresh engine in it, and the owner loved it. I kept it in the garage, but he drove it. He got in whenever he could and would head to town and run around and go to Cars and Coffee. And so, you know, you can take this one to the next level. You can enjoy it as is. But if you like these like we do, feel free to give me a call anytime. My name is Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. My number is 707-599-9448. PlattMotors@gmail.com is my email. PlattMotors.com is my website. And Kathy does not know how to drive a 4-speed, so she is not going to be rallying this Camaro. And we're looking for the next owner to keep this thing going for future generations. Gosh, I'm just looking at it now, realizing what an amazing look this car was, these first-gen Camaros. I took a picture of the data plate if you want to dig into that at all. And so, yeah, runs good, sounds good, new engine, feel free to call me anytime. I got that binder that's on the roof. It's got some receipts in there, and that should help me craft a good ad and get it out to all those sites that I advertise on. Oh, you know what? I did see something. I've seen something else that I want to show you. I think it was on maybe it's on the driver's side. The glass looks good. Right here. See some bubbling. See that, guys? It had a vinyl top. They removed it. And I see some bubbling. That's the only bubbling that I saw on the car. But there it is. You gotta know about that. And yeah, look forward to talking to you soon. 68 Chevy Camaro Super Sport, Redding, California. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Just down the road, about 6 or 8 miles. We buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. It's all we do. Family's been in the automobile business since 1931. We have a transparent and honest approach to the vehicles that we love. So call or text me anytime. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching my videos, and check me out on social. I got Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Check me out. Let's connect. All right, guys. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.